What's up, guys? Welcome into my YouTube channel. It's Big Homie Pie here, or you can call me with my real name, Pie. The time is 7:20 a.m. You see that logo. So today I have a plan of action. I'll let you know what these things consist of. Number one is rewrite my business plan. I need to rewrite a new one. I kind of basically, like Nipsey said, accomplished all my goals. I had to sit down and rearrange that list. I need to set new goals. Number two is change my domain name. Right now it's Team Detailing HTX.com. But number three is get my SEO updated. My search engine optimal, I believe is what it is. Don't convict me if I'm wrong. But yeah, so basically when you search on Google detailing in Houston, I want my company to pop up and be on the front page, or detailing wherever. If you in Houston, you just search detailing. The fact that you're in Houston, I want my company name to pop up and be on the first page. It'll bring in more customers and just draw more attention to my website. So number four is add schedule booking feature to website. And with this one, I'm going to use a third party and have them have their services added onto my page to where they can just book through these companies that already have that feature set up. And then number five is design my business cards with logos. So the cards that I have now, I got from Vistaprint. It was just a template they already had, and I just threw my name and company name on there and took that and ran with it. But I want to make my own with my own logos. That way when I pass them out, they see my logo. So yeah, man, I'm gonna take this run with it. This will be my agenda for today, and I want you guys to join me in every bit of it. All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back. I know what y'all been thinking. Y'all like, it's 2:52 and it's almost 3 o'clock. We haven't heard from them yet. Well, I'm back. I'm here. I had a bit of a productive day, getting things done. My first call of the day, I was on there for about at least an hour and a half, getting my web page established and getting my SEOs up and all that. So the first thing that I marked off the list, thing was rewrite the business plan. And the crazy thing is that's actually the last thing I'm gonna get done on the list. Second was change the domain name to do it. So I got the domain name changed, but then get SEOs updated. I was able to get that done. I put in a few myself. They had put in a few more online through the marketing package I got with my website, the company that I designed my website through. So I got my SEOs updated. I also got I think it's a Bing account, Google account, and Yelp, Google, and Bing. I also got verified accounts on those pages, and all these things are linked together, all in with my Instagram and Facebook. So my business is all tied in together online now. You go to one thing, it can link you to multiple other sources and links to where you can write reviews or find me. So it's easier to access me online or find me in general, just looking for mobile car washes or details in Houston. Last thing was to add the booking feature, or next was to add the booking feature to my website. Yeah, did that. It looked good. I designed a little packages up like on there myself, put the add-ons myself. I like that platform, and then design business cards with logos. So I used the Fiverr app. Got a few things done off of there, like my flyer, my logos I got made on there, and now my business cards. I paid $35 to get the design. I'm just getting a design from off of there, from a graphic design that I chose off of there. You get to pick. You contract out the work to whoever you choose. You look at their resumes, and each person has different packages they offer for their services. You select, and yeah, go forward with that. So I got that done. I won't have that. It's a 24-hour period before I get that done. Just the design on the cards, but that's all I was needing was the design. Yeah, see my logos. Here we go. Check it out. So like the 92 Dream Team, our quality can be beat. And then this one. This is probably my favorite, but I like them both. They're both original designs by me. Yeah, that's that. And then this one was my flyers. This is my flyers here. I got 1,000 of these printed up. They look good. Went and passed those out on doors, going door to door. But yeah, I paid $40 for that, the logos, 2 logos, and then $10 for that flyer design. I've been productive. I've been doing my little thug thizzle for shizzle, my nizzle. So the last thing is to rewrite my business plan. Like I said, I've done it a few times. Time to do it again. This one, we aiming for the moon, the stars, and probably like Saturn, and Mars. You know, I want it all this time. The first time I was being modest. I was just wanting to get started. I accomplished that goal, getting started and getting some business. Man, it's time to skyrocket. So we aiming for. Hey man, stay tuned, man. This is gonna be a beautiful thing here. You know, everything if it's God willing, because I couldn't do it without it. But yeah, man, pay attention. See that there? See that work? And this job I started at like 6 in the morning. 6 in the morning I started this job. Boy, come get this thing, you see that? I did. Still amazed myself, thanks to the Lord though. All these people I met, all these cars I don't want, man. It's a beautiful thing. First business cards right there. When I first got started, was the first car I ever washed right here. This was back in August 2018, first car. I didn't even have Instagram or Facebook at the time for my business. I had my equipment though. This is a logo I tried to make. Yeah, that's it. Alright, so we got a update and a brief intermission. What's up guys? So we got an update and a brief intermission. You know, we cook. Oh, yeah, there we have it. No fried rice. I see. Alright guys, man, it is 10:18. I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. I did not rewrite my business plan today. You know, get at it tomorrow. Make that top of my list tomorrow. Get at that first thing in the morning. So yeah, I appreciate y'all rocking with me today. I hope somebody got inspired by this. You know, whatever little bit I did show, whether it was the cooking or showing y'all the business plan, actually getting the plan together. But one thing I want to leave y'all with is this Nipsey video, where he kind of speak on getting a plan, and shit, Nipsey inspired me in so many ways. I want to share this with y'all.
The most important thing, number one, is you got to get rid of doubt. If you got doubt in what you're doing, it's not going to work. You know what I'm saying? And the way to do that is you have a plan. Because if you got a plan, it's not like just a pipe dream. You have a step-by-step list of things to do to get to your goal. If you don't have that, it's very hard to really have faith in what you're doing. Because as soon as something pop up, it's going to look like the end all. But if you got a game plan of everything you need to do, you know, one thing pop up, well, I still got to do this, and that, so this ain't going to stop me. You know what I'm saying? Another thing pop up, well, shit, I accomplished this 2 things. Since my last obstacle, I only got 3 more things to do. Let me keep pushing, fuck it. Pretty soon you attain your goal, and then you create another one. But without a game plan, without a strong sense of faith in what you're doing, it's gonna be real hard to accomplish anything.
You gotta get a plan and go for it, man. But yeah, man, that's my closing now, man. If you like this, go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see more of. Let me know what y'all like, didn't like, man. I appreciate y'all. Stay rocking with the fam. I'm out.